All right, Chapter 8 is all about what we call systems of equations. We're going to do 3 sections in Chapter 8, 8.1 through 8.3, and we're going to learn 3 different techniques of solving systems of equations. A system of equations is when you have 2 equations with 2 different variables. We're going to solve them by graphing the 2 lines and seeing where they intersect. We're going to solve them by substitution, plugging one variable in for the other, and we're going to solve them by elimination, seeing if we can eliminate one of the variables. We're going to solve using those 3 techniques, and then we're going to actually apply it to real-world problems. I know, everybody's favorite, word problems. But it's an application of or reason we can actually use systems of equations in real life. So make sure you print off the blank notes packet. Make sure that you watch the 3 sections videos while you're filling out the notes, and then make sure that you submit your completed notes on the completed notes assignment. Good luck on systems of equations. Make sure you understand how to do it the 3 different ways. Even though one way might be your favorite, make sure you know all 3 ways so that you can use all of them later on if we need to.